Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a magical cake over the rainbow. I don't know, I'm trying to make a pun, but I'm kind of stuck at it. So we're making Wizard of Oz cake. So let's get started.
I started out by frosting a 6-inch and 4-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I covered both tiers with pale green fondant. I smoothed it on with my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I stacked the small tier onto the large tier. Then I rolled out some yellow fondant. And I used a brick texture mat to create a brick texture. After all, we do need to follow the yellow brick road. Then I cut it into a large V shape. And I draped it over one side of the cake with the point in the center of the top. Then I rolled a thick snake of dark green fondant and cut them into irregular lengths. I rounded the tips and stuck them together into a grouping. And I stuck them onto the center of the cake. This is the Emerald City. Then I used some red marzipan, got 2 equal pieces, rolled them into fat sausages, used a knife to remove about 2/3 of the center, smoothed it out, and used a press mold to create some bows and stuck them on the top. Love how the ruby slippers turned out. Then, using the same red marzipan, I shaped it into a heart. Then I rolled out some white fondant, cut out a small circle, and put it in the center of the heart. Then I painted a clock face onto it. This is the Tin Man's heart. Then I used some gold fondant and cut out a Celtic cross. This is the lion's medal. Then I rolled out a thin piece of white fondant, cut it into a square, and rolled it up. I placed a piece of red around it and added a tiny dot of gold to the center. This is the Scarecrow's diploma. Then I rolled out some more red marzipan and cut out some small flowers. These are representative of the red poppies. I know these are daisies and not poppies, but it worked for me. Then I placed the flowers at the edge of the cake of both tiers, covering the little tears in the fondant. Then I placed a few randomly on the sides. I also painted the edges of the lion's medal with black food coloring. But how cute is this Wizard of Oz cake? It makes me want to sing, "Somewhere over the rainbow," or maybe "Follow the Yellow Brick Road." That's a good title. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.